welcome to my DIY channel. My tree is almost up. As you had seen in the last video, I did these ribbons. These are all Dollar Tree if you haven't seen them yet. Great deal, great ribbon with a nice wire. You can make beautiful bows for Christmas. And in today's video, wow, Tweety showing off her feathers. In today's video, I'm bringing to you some galvanized decor from the Dollar Tree. Have you seen these? Bottle caps, hearts, they also have stars. All adorable pieces for $1. We're gonna take them up a notch, create some beautiful high-end decor for our tree. Are you excited? I am. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you'll become my bestie and we will be in touch, okay? Let's get started.
Did you notice my apron? You won't believe it. It was just $1 at the Dollar General. You know, it's that thin lining fabric, but I think it's still worth it when you do your Christmas preparations or bake cookies with the kids. So for today's DIY, we are going to be using those metal bottle caps or any other metal hangers that you can find at a Dollar Tree. Also, do you remember those clay-like ornaments I showed you in my last shopping haul video? I especially love the gingerbread, but it was the last one at my store, so I'll be using some additional gingerbreads that I found at the Christmas tree shop. You can look up their location online. They sell many beautiful pieces for just $1. I recently used the cookie in my gingerbread sleigh video. In addition, we're going to need some twine or yarn that you can find at a Dollar Tree, some faux snow, glitter, Mod Podge, and strong glue like E6000. Before we start, it's mail time.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna will.
The first package is from our bestie Fatima. She got these work reforms at Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, and she's not sure how to go about them. So she sent one of each to me, and she's looking forward to see what I do with them. Isn't she clever? Thank you so much, Fatima. I hope I do them justice. The second package is from my Jersey bestie, Mary. She recently went shopping to Christmas tree shop, and look at all the goodies she got. Look at this beautiful ribbon. Mary, you know I'm a ribbon addict, but this is way too much. This is too generous. And then the ornaments. Look how adorable. My Christmas tree shop didn't have these. Wow. Beautiful and right in time. Thank you so much for thinking of me. All right, let's make some quick and easy Christmas ornaments. We start off by replacing the jute shrink with the pretty red and white string. I use a little bit of tape at the ends so it's easy to thread through the holes, and then I use some hot glue to attach it on the inside. Next, we are going to add our gingies on top, like they're baking. And look at this guy that Mary sent me. He is just so cute. Looks good enough to eat, right? I'm gonna glue him on top. And for comparison, here's the one from the Dollar Tree. He's just so cute with those candy buttons. A bit smaller, so I think what I'm gonna do is use him for the other ornament. Yeah, he's gonna fit there perfectly. So let's do this first. And he needs a girlfriend too, so we're gonna make a nice set over here. But first, let's pull out the hooks out of their heads. We're not gonna need those little hangers there. Next, I'm using E6000 and hot glue for a fast, strong hold. And take a look at this. We only spent $2 here, but if you saw these at a Christmas store, you probably wind up paying at least $5, $6 a piece, right? Don't they look amazing? I think so. I don't even think it needs much more. I'm just gonna paint around the edges with some Mod Podge, sprinkle with some faux snow and the glitter, and I think this is just adorable the way it is. Take a look at this. How quick and easy was that? Of course, if you like, you can add more, but I just love the bottle cap shape and I don't want anything to take away from it. I love it the way it is. So I'm gonna repeat exact same steps for the girlfriend. All right, and look at her. Isn't she lovely? You know, a set like this would make a great gift for a gingerbread lover, right? And so on the budget, yet look high-end. All right, and I'm planning to do a similar thing with the hearts now. First, changing the string. It's a little bit different here, just one string with a knot at the bottom. And of course, you can display your gingies on the inside as well. It's your choice. I just like them more on top. And I'm gonna put 2 pieces on each, something like this. And like I said, I don't have a second gingy from Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna use the one from the Christmas tree shop and just borrow the candy cane from my Nomi. And again, let's pull out those hook hangers. And once you like the placement, go ahead, use your E6000 and some hot glue for fast and strong bond. And here's the look at the happy couple with the candy canes. Do you like it? I think they're so adorable. My husband said hide these because when I wake up at night, I might just grab one. And again, I'm doing the same thing with some Mod Podge and faux snow and glitter and make them look a little bit more appetizing. Straight out of the oven. The Dollar Tree Gingy didn't have any sparkle, so I just sprinkle him a little bit with glitter so he matches his girlfriend. Aren't they adorable? Let me know if you plan to recreate them, and please tag me on social media if you do. Would you like to see how I decorate my gingerbread tree? I had already done the bow topper and the ribbons, as you had seen in my last video. I used only Dollar Tree ribbon, which is actually amazing this year. I share all my tips and tricks for decorating like a designer in this video, but here's a quick recap. First, we add the large ball ornaments and one color at a time and fill in all the holes in your tree. Next, we add those large statement pieces, like the gingies. Maybe you have large bells, snowflakes, whatever it might be. And to achieve that designer look, you need to add a variety of different sprays to your tree. Start at the topper and then spread throughout the tree. At the end, you want to add your most special ornaments. You really want to showcase them so everyone could see them. This adorable candy is 50% off at Hobby Lobby right now, so you get 12 pieces for $6.50. Doesn't get better than that. Hang these at the tips of the branches, even at the tips of the stems that you just added, so they'll be displayed beautifully. And here's the look at my gingerbread tree. I hope you like it.
I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me thumbs up. Consider subscribing. That way you become my bestie and we will be in touch, okay? Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye. What? Stop arguing.